If your Samsung refrigerator is leaking, forming ice buildup, or not cooling properly, a clogged drain port could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if it's your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a flathead screwdriver, a phillips screwdriver, a towel, and a turkey baster with hot tap water. Be sure to unplug your refrigerator or turn the breaker off before getting started. Now that we have everything ready and the power safely disconnected, let's move on to the first step in troubleshooting your refrigerator. Go into the fresh food compartment and remove all shelves and crisper bins. Locate the crisper shelf and press in on the 2 locking tabs while lifting the front of the shelf. Once the front is lifted off the filter housing, pull the shelf forward and remove it. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screw cover near the top of the shelf rail on the evaporator cover. Remove the screws securing the evaporator cover. Then carefully separate the cover from the liner. Disconnect the fan wires from the liner and set the evaporator cover aside. Inspect the drain port for any standing water or ice buildup. If water or ice is present, clear the drain using hot water and a turkey baster or similar tool. Remove the compressor section cover. The drain tube in the compressor section would need to be checked and cleaned or replaced accordingly. If the drain port is clear, something else is causing the fresh food section to not defrost. The drain tube will pull down away from the cabin. Here's the old clogged drain tube and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Push the drain tube onto the drain port and line it up with the mount on the bottom. Reinstall the compressor section cover. Grab the evaporator cover and reconnect the fan wires. Reinstall the evaporator cover onto the refrigerator wall and secure it with the screws that were removed. Reinstall the screw cover at the top. Install the crisper shelf and press the water filter housing up to lock it into place. Reinstall all shelves and bins into the refrigerator. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Great job tackling your Samsung refrigerator's clogged drain port. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you're in need of any replacement parts, remember that AppliancePartsPros.com has you covered. Just enter your model number and most orders will arrive in a few days. Thanks for trusting us with your project, and we look forward to guiding you through your next do-it-yourself repair adventure.